Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to change PLS donate booth, then this is the right video for you. First, open roblox.com and then go to Make-A-Wish. Now click on Play. And then click on Open Roblox. Once you're in, navigate to the board as shown here. After reaching it, click on the green Play button. Then you will get some steps to follow. Now close Roblox. Then go to PLS Donate. Click on the Play button. Then open Roblox. Once it starts, find an empty stall. After getting there, press E. Now click on Settings. Here, if you scroll through, you'll see the booth you've collected from Make-A-Wish. Now, just select the one you want and then click on Apply. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.